Hey everyone, welcome back to Antimony the Great. Today we're diving into the world of Totally Accurate Battle Simulator and their mods. And today I'll show you how to install them using Thunderstorm and R2 Modman. I'm sorry if the video quality isn't the best. I'm trying out a new video editing software and I'm trying out a new style of videos. Exciting stuff. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is head over to Thunderstorm. Open up your web browser and type in thunderstorm.io. I will have this linked in the description of our video. Now, let's get to R2 Modman. If you don't have R2 Modman installed, you can find it right here. Click on it, and now navigate to manual download. I already have R2 Modman installed, but what you would do is click manual download. Wait for it to download. Alright, now once it's installed, click on the zip file. And then once you get to the zip file, you want to extract it and then double click this. Now, once it's installed, navigate over and create a shortcut. I'm just going to search it up here, R2 Modman. Now search for apps. You can find it here. Select game. Now choose what platform you have it downloaded on. For me, personally, it's Steam. Now click on select platform. And then for you, it would give you an option to create a profile. Click create new profile and name it whatever you want. Now select profile. Now you can find what mods you have installed. For you, you'll not have these mods installed already. But if you want to install any mods, click on online and find what you want. As an example, I will download the zombie mod. Now you would click on download with dependencies, and just wait for it to complete downloading. Once that is done, tap on start modded. Alright, now let's jump into tabs and see the expansionary mod in action. Now we're in tabs. Now, I assume all of you guys are familiar with the game. Sandbox, tribal. Alright, let's see this zombie. Look at this. Zombies. Alright, and there you have it, folks. You've successfully installed a tabs mod using Thunderstorm and R2 Modman. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.